Hello, my name is Roland, and in this tutorial we will build a macro that will help us to see only certain revision or variants in a product. How it works? We have in this structure multiple parts with different revision. So we consider I want to see only the revision number 2. I will access the macro. In the input dialog box I will enter revision number 2, and then my assembly structure is update. Okay, if I just want to see only revision number 1, the same, my assembly it's update. How this application works? We have an input box. We need to type our revision, release, or status. Then after we hit OK, every component inside the structure will be put on hide, and after that only the parts that are containing our input will be set show. To do this application, we will use Notepad++. You can also use Notepad. First, we will create our working folder. Then from Notepad, we will create our CATSCRIPT file, the script file for Catia. And then we will add to Catia shortcuts also with pictures. And then we will start creating our application. First, I need to set up the working directory. I will go to Tools, Macros. In this box, I will select macro library. I need to have the directory type here set, and then to add an existing one. For this application, I have on drive D, on this, and in this folder, macro work. Okay, so for now it's empty because we don't have anything set. After that, I will open the Notepad++ or Notepad, and now we will create a file in our working directory. This one will be our macro. I will name hide by name, show by name, and in the extension CATSCRIPT to be readable for Catia. Save. First, we have the Catia procedure. Inside of this procedure, basically Catia will read the macro. Okay. After that, we go inside Catia to add our shortcut. We hit customize. In the toolbar tab, we add new tab. We add a name. After that, we go to the command tab. Inside macro, we see our file. We go and change the button, and I will add this picture. And now this is our shortcut. Okay. First we need to create our application. Initially, we will declare our main variables. First will be for selection. this is the selection variable, and then we go for visualization properties. This will be for hide and show, and this is equal with selection dot. Okay. After that, inside our application, first we will clear the selection in case we have something selected. First we will clear the selection. We don't need to have something else selected. We see it's working. After that, we will add our input box. Input box. We have this syntax. Of course, we can add whatever we want, but now we need also to see what it's added. To do this, I will define a string variable and set as the input box. After that, I want to check if the input box has something inside. If I don't have something inside, I will send a message. And exit, and after that I will close the if statement. In case we will run and hit OK by mistake, we will have a message we need to add something. Okay. Now, after our input box, we will need to hide every feature from the structure. For this one, I want to create a procedure. This one. So we will use the power inputs to do this. First, of course, we will clear the selection. After that, we need to check our features. From advanced search, I go first check the type for the part. What is the query? I will copy. And then I will add inside my function. I need also to hide and show functions. This one, it's equal with visualization properties set show, and we need to add here argument 1. This is for hide, and then I will clear the selection. First we will search for parts, then we hide, and then we will search for assemblies. The same, I will search the query with the advanced search, copy the assembly, and then add to our procedure. Okay, we will use the same, the hide routine, and let's check if our procedure works. First, we will have the input box, and then we will hide everything. Add something. Okay, okay, add something, and then everything is hide. We see now also the main structure, the main assembly, it's hidden, so we will need to show. Inside of this, we will add in the selection and then we will need to show. The show procedure is the same like the hide. Only the argument for set show now it's 0. Let's check if our modification works. We will type something and then it's working. Now we need to show all the parts that are contained from our input box. We will use the naming graph. Basically the same. We select the assembly and then with the power inputs, naming graph, and then select our part inside the selection. We know we see if we type naming graph only revision 1, the selection will be add only from the first level. If we type inside the selection, because we will select the main assembly, then we will select inside all the structure. Okay, we will add in our selection the main assembly. And then we will search with the naming graph. We have to add our string and then the star and selection. After that, we will add the show procedure, and this is done. Now I want to see the revision number 2, not this one. In our application, revision 2 is visible, just revision 2. I want to see maybe only the housings. Now only the housing are visible. From this application, I extract also the function and build a new macro to have the possibility to show all the features inside one assembly, because time to time I need also this feature to be available. I hope you enjoyed. This macro is very helpful for me in a lot of situations. I hope will be useful for you too. Have a nice day.